Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and setting up the X02-2LU dash cam for your car, and this is now available for sale in the various e-commerce stores. The boxing is very simple. There's nothing actually illustrating what's inside, but as we open up, we can then have a look here at the contents. So in the box we've got a windshield mount. We've got the charger, or the power for you to connect to a cigarette lighter in your car. Then we've got the dash cam, as well as the instruction manual. Now, I am selling these already with a 32 gigabyte SD card, and let's have a look at the features. Before we continue with the video, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to the channel. So this dash cam features a 4-inch HD screen. The resolution is 800 by 480, and it connects through a mini USB to your car cigarette lighter. It supports up to 32 gigabyte class 10 TF card. It does have a speaker and a microphone in it, so it's all built in, and it's actually pretty nice and neat in terms of quality. I will show you in a sec, as I'll be setting up this in my car for demo, and you will see how it works as well. So having a look here at the device itself, in the front we've got a rear facing camera. This will record the interior of your car. We've got the LCD display right over here, and then on the side we've got the power button right there. We've got a back and forward button, and we've got a menu button as well as an OK button on the other side. Looking at the rear here, we've got a front facing camera, so this is what will record what's in front of your car. We've got a microphone input right there. We've got some air vents here on the sides, and here we've got the support windshield. On the other side, nothing here. Looking at the bottom, we've got an AV in slot. We've got the USB slot for you to connect to your charger, and we've got the SD card slot over there. So this comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card, and it is included, so you don't have to buy one. So really, this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead, set this up in my car and test it out. Okay, so we are in my car, so I've got a dash cam there, as well as the power cable and the mount here for the windshield. So first things first, I'm just gonna put the mount. Okay, so that is done. And now I'm going to connect the power cable, which is right here. Power cable connected. And now I am going to connect the other end to the cigarette lighter socket down here, which is now connected, powered on, and you can see here the camera starting. So it's got the front facing camera as well as the rear. So I'm just going to mount this onto the windshields, and you'll have a look how it works. Okay, so the camera is turned on now, and it's recording. So as soon as you start your car, it will start recording, and when you turn off your car, it will stop recording and it will save all of your videos on the SD card. So the quality is actually pretty good, as you can see. I will of course post a video as well with the recording that I've done today, so you can check out the quality. So let's have a look at the details then here. So on the left hand side here, you've got the buttons, and we've got the OK button here at the bottom. When I press OK, it will start recording. As you can see, the red light there flashing. If I press it again, it will stop recording. Then we've got the mode button here at the top. If I press on the mode button, so it has now changed to picture mode, so I can take a picture. If I press it again, then it will allow me to view my recordings, so I can play a video. I'm not moving at the moment, so there's nothing really to show, yeah, here's where I can see the videos and the pictures. If I press again, it will move over to pictures and videos, and then it takes me back to the main menu. So if I press the forward button, it just changes the view settings on the camera. So here I've got the full view, here I've got the front-facing camera, and here I've got the picture-in-picture camera. If I press the fast forward button here, it will allow me to enable or disable the microphone. So basically, if I press it now, you'll see there is a red cross there, so that means the microphone is disabled. If I press it again, so microphone is enabled. And this is how it works. So I'm gonna drive around a bit, and you will see the quality of this camera as well. So this is it for this camera. If you're interested in one of these, please do check the links for the various marketplaces out there. And if you did enjoy this video, please do subscribe to the channel and do hit that like button. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.